Hello student, today's topic is dimension and dimension style. For dimension, go to in dimensions menu and you can see here a lot of different options like peak dimension, linear dimension, aligned, arc length, ordinate, radius, jog, diameter, angular, baseline, continue. तो ये सभी important dimensions हैं, इसको देखते हैं और इसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे dimension style. So let's start from quick dimension. Suppose we have a line of 10 unit and we want to dimension it. So what should we do? We can select quick dimension from here and also we can type the QDIM. The short key of quick dimension is QDIM. Okay, you can click from here and you can type QDIM, enter. Then select geometry, enter, and place where you want to place the dimension. Now you can see the dimension is created. Similarly, you can show the radius of the circle. How can you show this radius? Type QDIM, enter, select line, enter, and place the dimension. This is quick dimension. What about linear? Short key of linear is DLI. In dimension, the short key will create it like place D and take two letter of the command. Like if you want to know the areas of a line will be DAL. What should be arc? It will be DAR. Coordinate DOR. Only you have to add D from the command in front of the command and take two letter. As you know, the jogged. So what should be the areas of the jog? DJO and the diameter DDI. Okay, so we'll take linear. Suppose we have an object like this. This line is 20 and the width is 10, again length and width. This is a rectangle 20 by 10. So if you want to define the linear dimension, you just have to type here DLI, enter, specify first point of dimension and second point of dimension, and you can see you will define here the dimension of the length. If you want to define the dimension of width, define 2 point and place the dimension where you want to place it. The linear dimension cannot show the diagonal length. DLI, enter, specify first point and specify second point. You can see here it just only define horizontal dimension or vertical. It does not define the diagonal length. If you want to show the diagonal length of the line, so what should we do? We should select aligned, and what will be the areas of the aligned? DAL. DAL, enter, select first point of object and second point of object, and you can see the dimension is defined here. Next is arc length. If you have an arc, you just need to type DAR, enter, then select arc and place the dimension where you want to place it. Next one is ordinate. Ordinate shows the coordinate point of the point. The coordinate of the point. If you want to know what is the coordinate of this center, means the distance from the origin, so you can show from the ordinate. Type DOR, enter, specify, click on the point and click again to show this dimension. This is 2.7398 is shown the distance from here to here. It will be the y distance, y axis distance. And again type DOR, enter, select this point and place the dimension here. And this one, dimension will show the distance of x. Okay. Now next one is diameter, sorry, the radius. If you want to show the radius of any arc or a circle, you can type DRA, select arc or circle and click on a screen to put the dimension. If you want to show this radius of circle, type DRA, enter, select and click on a screen to put the dimension. Next one is diameter. If you want to show the diameter of the circle, you will just have to click on diameter, or you can type DDI, select object and click on screen. Here it shows the diameter of circle. Next one is jogged. What jogged show? Jogged show the radius of the object. And why we show the jogged? Because if you want to show the continuity of the arc, suppose if this is our page, it may be A4, A2 or A3, and here you have created this, and you want to show that this arc is not a part of circle, this is a complete circle. So you will just have to define jogged radius like this. It shows, what this symbol shows, that this arc is not ended here, this is continue and make a circle. Okay, so what we can say it is the symbol of continuity. And what is way of showing this? Just type DJO and enter, select object and define second point for the dimension length, and third for the distance between two parallel lines, this line and this line, these two lines. We can define third point to define the distance between these two parallel lines, and the fourth point is defined for the jogged line, where you want to place this inclined line. If you want to place here, you can click here, and if you want to place here, you can click here, and it will be placed. So this jogged shows that your arc is continue. Next, angular. If you want to show the angle between two lines, go to here and type DAN and select these two lines and place this dimension on screen by clicking. Now, what is the next? Baseline. Baseline. For baseline, you must have create an object and give a linear dimension, one of them. After this, go to baseline or type DBA, enter, and click on the points. Click on the points, and what you see? You see here the baseline dimension and dimensions from base to every points. Okay, this is the baseline dimensions. Next one is continue. So for continue, you also have a drawing, and with the help of linear tool, you should have a dimension, and then go to continue dimension, then type DCO, enter, and click the points. And you can see here the dimension is continue next to next point. Okay, you can see the difference from uh, baseline dimension and continue dimensions. What baseline dimension shows? The dimensioning is created from the base point, and the continue dimension shows next to next point. Not it is showed from the first point. It shows point to point dimensions, next to next. Okay, these are the most important dimensions what you should know. Now, next is dimension style. This is a very important tool to show the dimensions. You can say it is the setting of the dimensions. Like you had a problem with these dimensions previously. If you dimensions any lines or a circle or arc, like this type of problem you had faced, the dimension text is not appear. Why? Because the dimension text height is too short. Okay, so how can we define the height and the size of this dimension arrow? We just have to go in dimension style, and the short key of the dimension style is D. Type D and enter. And here you can see there are two type of dimension style. First one is annotative, second one is standard. If you want to create a new style, click on set current. Sorry. You can, if you want to create new style, you can click on new and define here the name of the new style. Suppose AK is the name of the new style name, and then click on continue. Here you can see the lines, and the option is given here to change the dimensions line and extension line. Dimension line is this one, and the extension line is this one. Perpendicular to the dimension line is extension line. So you can change the color of dimension line and the line type and the line weight. Okay, so these are given here for the dimension line. And the extension line, you can change the color of extension line and the line type of the extension line and the line type to the other second one line type different. You can put the different line type in the different directions, and you can define the line weight as well. You can suppress means you can hide these lines. If you want to hide, you can hide from here. Okay, and if you want to hide a dimension line, you can check this and you will find the dimension is also hide. I uncheck this because I want to show this dimension in my drawing. Now go to in symbol and arrow, and you can change the arrow symbol. Like you can show dot and oblique and small dot. So here you can see a number of options for the arrowhead, and you can define the size of the arrow here from here, and mark center mark of the circle. If you want to show the mark, select this. If you don't want to show the mark, select none. If you want to show the center from line, select line. And what will be the size of this line, you can change from here. Okay, so you can change the symbols and the arrow size from here. Now go to in text, and you can define the text style, text color. And if you want to show the fill color, select from here. You'll see here the in background the yellow color is there. If you don't want to show this, select none. Then you can define the height of the text from here. Okay, now the placement of the text. What should be the placement of the text? The vertical, want to say above, you can show the above for vertical dimensioning. If you don't want to show in center, select above. It will show like this. And if you select below, you can see here the dimension text is below the dimension line. Okay, I select centered. horizontal, this dimension which is horizontally defined. If you want to show this in extension line 1, it's show in this direction. If you want to show this text toward extension line 2, it show the near to extension line 2. I select centered. Okay, so this is the text setting. And now go to infit, and infit you can change the overall scale. Like overall scale means you can change the text height and the arrow size in the same time. From here, infit, use overall scale. If you want to scale both of the symbols, like both of the things, like text and the arrowhead, please change from the here. Like I'll put here 10. It means now the text and the arrowhead will show 10 time of the present scale. Okay, then go to in primary unit, and select unit. If you want to, if your drawing is in feet and inch, you just have to select architectural. If your drawing is in millimeter, you have to select decimal. Okay, so if your drawing is in decimal, then select this. And precision, at what decimal points you want to show, select 2 digit and 1 digit. What you want, you can select from here. Okay, and then just click on OK. Just click on OK, and you can see here AK style is created. Now if you want to draw your dimension in this style, you have to click on set current. You have to click on set current, otherwise the standard is active, and when you dimension or any of the geometry, you will find your dimension is in standard. It is very small, and again it's not showing your dimensions. So select your style and click on set current, then close and type DLI, enter. Click on the points and click where you want to show. Okay, is it okay? If you want to show the radius of the circle, type DRA, enter, and select this. If you don't want to show the center with line, go to in D, enter, select your dimension style, go to in modify, and symbol and arrow. Here you can see line is selected. Select the mark only, and okay. Set current, close. You will see here only mark is appear. So this is the dimensions and the dimension style. That's all. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.